All right, this is my project. Uh, can run it. All right, this is proj one. We do proj one. To add a new one. Proj des one. Uh, I can add another project under the projects. So proj two, proj des two. And then it's just the progress and then the description and the name. I can add it to do. So to do one. Uh, to do des one, then I could change the priority. I can make it one. Uh, I can attach it to proj one, and then I could do 2020 a 5 for the due date. Um, okay, and then it says the ID here. And yeah, okay, so then I could do okay. So that's to do, yeah, and then I could add new, and then I could do proj two. Proj des, not proj, to do des two, and then to do two. Um, I can make this priority two. I could attach it to proj two, and then 2020, uh, eight, eight. Um, okay. Then this shows the priority, and then the due date's over here. Um, I can make another one. Now I could do comp to do, uh, and then I could do comp to do des. I could mark this, which means it's complete. I can make it priority three. I could attach it to proj one, like 2025, 8, and okay. So it doesn't show up here because you have to click. So when you click this, you get the uh completed task with a check mark next to it. And you can see here the progress for one is now 50% because it's now 50% complete. Um, okay, with this you can sort here's okay, so you can filter the proj the project. So if you want to only see proj one, you do this. So you see the comp to do and to do one. If you want to see just the proj two, you can see to do two. Then all projects do that. So you can filter with that. This you can sort. So if you sort by name, yeah, that's comp to do one to do two, and then you do opposite way. Will show the opposite way. ID will show order of creation, or I guess more identification of the ID attached to it. Then descending will be the same, but opposite. And then due date will show we'll show due date ascending, and then descending. Um, as you can see here, and then priority. So you see priority one through 3, then descending 1 through 3. Um, and then here you can search, so you can do comp, so that says comp to do, and then to do two, so that works there. Um, and then I can for example, I can take to do des one, edit it. So I could edit it, and then do comp to do 2, then comp to do des 2 if I wanted to change the name, and then I can mark it as complete, and then I do OK. So now this is along with comp to do now marked as complete, and now project 1 shows complete. I could delete project 1, and then the completed ones get deleted too, or not complete, but all of them in the project gets deleted, and it's just that both of them were completed. Uh, okay. I guess I can edit select this so I can make this one now. If I wanted to. And I think that's it for this. Can I edit anything or show? I think that's it for what I can show you. Um, well, other than exporting and importing, but I'm gonna do that at the end. Yeah, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. Um, I guess I can show that I can delete that this button works, right? So I can delete that. So there, I guess. Uh, okay. I'm gonna make another to do just to show the exporting thing. Uh, we do Watch 1. I'll make that priority 1. Super important. Okay. There. Okay. And then I'll just export this. So if I export it, I could do a file name. So I could do um proj export uh save. So then it save to my documents, proj export .json. If I go here, I can proj export. If I click on this, I can show you. Whoops. There. Okay. So then here you see the JSON file it creates. Um yeah. And so then if I e- exit this and then I run it again. Okay, and then these export buttons do the same. I just thought it would look nicer if it was both rather than just one. Not export. Import. So I could import. So proj import. Or actually, I should yeah. Okay. I should show you the oh, I should show you that if I do cancel, it takes me back. And then I could do the same thing here. Okay. And then cancel, and it takes you back. Okay. Yes. God. Okay. I keep wanting to press that. Okay. Sorry. Add new to do. I'll do this to show that it overwrites it. To do. I should do something. Actually, temp. I'll do temp and then temp des. Okay. I'm just not gonna attach it to a project. I probably should. Okay. So temp proj, I guess. Temp proj. Temp proj. Des. And then I could do temp to do. Okay, attach it to temp proj and then temp to do des. Make it priority 3, so not as important. And then I could do like 20, 25, 7, 4. Okay. So then if I import my proj export that I did, and then it imports it, it overwrites the ones already there, and it does it shows the things. Okay, yeah. Um, yeah, so this is my project. Uh, I think that's it. Is there? Oh, I also yeah, I only did it for the B. Just don't have time to do to do these two. Okay, so this these pickers took a lot long. So it says here that I have to do the what's the most difficult thing about the assignment and had to work through that. The most difficult thing was the pickers because I because for Mac I think it's a Mac thing where I put the title like I put a title for the pickers initially, and when I did that it just wouldn't work. It would break. So I spent so long trying to fix it. I spent so long trying to fix it because I didn't know it was the title thing, right? Like it would just pop up saying like just God, what was it just said just oh, it said like select and then done, and it didn't give me any options or anything. So that really messed me up for the figures. I spent so long trying to fix that. But I managed to figure out that it was the title. Um, yeah, how I worked through it, I just tried so many wrong things that eventually I found the right thing, I guess. So, yeah. Um, and then it says a demonstration. Oh no, it says a brief walkthrough of the code. Um, oh, yeah, sure. I guess I could summarize the code, I guess. Okay. So this is the uh program. Uh, so this is the console application that we had initially. Um, uh, yeah, and then we had to-do.cs, which is the to-do data model, right? So it has stuff like name, priority is completed and stuff like that. And then there is the um like the name description. It's basically also for this is also for the console thing, for how it would look for the console. Uh, we have the same thing for the project. Um, so yeah, so we have the same thing for the project. Uh, and then we have the to do service proxy, which just manages the project. Um, so it has it has the storage for the memory. Not storage for the memory. But the memory storage, I guess. Um, and stuff like that. It can like controls the adding or updating, the displaying, and all that stuff. Yeah. Um, peak by next ID. This was used for getting the ID. Like the next ID when you click the when you click like add a new to do, it has the ID. But if you could like cancel it, it obviously it's gonna still have the ID attached to it. So this is just showing you the next ID, like a theoretical ID, I guess. And yeah, so project service proxy. Um, this this did the same thing but for projects, I guess. So like it also has an add update and all that kind of stuff. and displaying projects, update project completion, yeah, all that kind of stuff. Um, okay, so then we have main page view model. This is where um this is where what the view model is for the main page, I guess. Um, it it managed the to-dos and the projects. And like a big thing done here was the importing and exporting. So so like this is like it's completed and stuff like that. Delete to-dos. Where's the um um okay, so like here, for example, the export data, import so yeah, like a lot of the import uh logic was done through here and import and export. And like the sorting stuff. And then we have the project detail. So this is just a lot of the um this is the project object uh for like the UI interaction, I guess. So it um so yeah, so I have stuff like add or update project, ID display, you know, like that. Same kind of thing with the to-do model. Um so it there's a um so like it has the priorities listed 0 through 4 and stuff like that. Uh the priority display, the due date, and then we have project detail view, which is just when you click on add new project, this is what it shows. Um so like the description, percent complete, okay, cancel, so buttons. Um and then this is the logic behind them. Um yeah, like what happens when you click the buttons and stuff like that. And then it's the same thing here with to do, but instead of the add new project, it's add new to dos, and then the logic behind that for like the buttons and stuff. So like okay, clicked, that kind of thing. And then we have main page XML. This is the main page that you see when you run the app, so or most of the UI development is at. So it has stuff like the to do section, the toolbar, the project picker, the sort picker, the list, the do buttons, and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, it's just the UI for that. And this is the logic. So then the when it's clicked, um, edit, and then export, and like import and stuff like that. So yeah, yeah, that's basically it. The rest are just kind of like default, like not really changed. Um, so yeah, so that's the project. I guess I can show you the because in the second video, it wanted us to have specific, or the second, not the second video, the second assignment, it wanted us to have um like the specific pickers and stuff like that. Um, so Um, sorry. Okay, so it wanted us to have certain things. Um, like the list view and okay, so if I go here, uh, okay here, so if I do list view, right? So it has a list view entry. Wait, so sorry, checkbox, uh, picker, then date. Okay, so sorry. Should be in one of these then. So okay, here. Sorry, date picker. Oh, was that a project on accident? Sorry. The to do. Yeah. So the date picker is here, and then the was the other one that didn't show? Checkbox, I think. Checkbox. And I think that showed all of it. So yeah, so I had list view, entry, checkbox, picker tape. Yeah, I meant to be on the to do. I think I was on the project and that's why it didn't work. I don't know. That was confusing for a second. Okay. So yeah, so it has all five of the Maui tags. Um yeah, I think that's it. I think that is it. I don't think I have anything else to show. Um Demonstration. Explanation of anything that's currently working. I think everything's currently working. Everything that I did, right? I didn't do these two, but I just I really did not expect the the sort and search thing to take not the sort and search, the sort and the filter thing from the previous assignment to take so long. So yeah, um, and then most difficult explanation. Yeah, okay. I think I'm good. I think I went over everything. Okay, cool. So that's my project.